Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel, and we are building this LeetCode series playlist, and today we are going to solve this question number 197, the rising temperature. We are given this table weather with 3 columns: ID, record date and temperature, and we have to write a solution to find all the dates with higher temperature compared to its previous dates. For example, if you see this on the second of uh, this temperature is higher than this 10, so 2 has come here. If you check this 3, this is lower than this previous day, which is 25, now is 20. Of course it's lower, that's why 3 is eliminated. Now let's consider this 4. If I just check this 4 on this date and this previous date is this, if I check this is higher than the 20, that's why 4 is also coming. So clearly we could say that we are just comparing the temperature of the above row. That's it. So this is our functionality of the lag window functions, and we are going to use the lag window function. If you have not watched this lag window functions, you have to watch that video first before coming to this video, and if you have a knowledge of lag window function, then it's okay. So what I really want, I just want this table and wants to add a table of previous temperature. Sorry, spelling mistake. What I really want, this of course going to be null. For this 25 I want this 10, for this 20 I want this 25, and for this 30 I want this 20. If I could create this kind of a table, which is a derived table, I could just put the condition the temperature has to be greater than the previous temperature, and we will be able to get this 2 and 4 IDs. We are just going to return this 2 and 4 because only here 25 is greater than 10 and 30 is greater than 20. So now let's go to the LeetCode and try to write the solution, and then we will try to submit the solution in the LeetCode. I'm in the data grid now, and let's check the weather class. We have these 4 rows. I have created this table and also inserted the data. Now what I really want, I just want a lag function of temperature. Of course I need to define the over. I do not need to do any partition because the whole table is my window itself. I just need to do an order by record date ascending because I just want the previous date temperature only. That's why record date ascending as previous temperature. This is my derived table now. I have to wrap this. We are doing this in quite a few videos earlier. Now you have got the gist of it. Select star from. Now it's quite easy. I have to just put x dot temperature has to be greater than x dot pt. That's it. I just need to return the ID column as ID, and I'm done. Let me just run this, and I'm getting 2 and 4. So now we are going to submit the solution in the LeetCode and check whether our solution is correct or not. I am in the LeetCode. I have already explained this question to you. Just trying to submit my solution. So let me just run it to check for any syntax errors. I have got the wrong answer. Clearly it is giving me an answer of 2 and I am expected is nothing. Why so? We need to check this first. Because if we see the record date, it's 14 and then it is 16. The 15 is not there. These two dates are not consecutives, and that's why it's showing there should be nothing to be written because we do not have the data of the previous date. But our solution is returning 2. Why so? Because we have just order by based on the record date, but we are not checking whether these dates are consecutives or not. That's the problem here. So what we could do, let's go to the data grid and try to solve this issue now. I am in the data grid. I just need to check one condition. If the difference in the date is 1, then I have to check the temperature of the previous row. Otherwise, I have to return it as null. Hope you're getting the gist. What I'm trying to say, I just want a case. I'm saying when date diff, I need to calculate the date diff. Of course, this record date and the previous date I want to get it. I'm going to get record date over order by record date ascending. This is a function. I want to get the previous record date in the table, and if this date difference is equals to 1, then I have to do something. If it is not, then I will say null and as previous date, which is pt. I'm just going to remove this. What I have to do in the then part, I have to say this, get me the temperature only. So then is the lag temperature order by recorded ascending, and just remove this part. Hope you're getting this case statement. What I'm trying to say, I'm using a date diff function which returns me exact day between these two dates. I'm saying calculate the difference between this record date, the current row, and this lag will return me the previous row date. I'm just checking it whether the difference is 1 or not. If it is 1, I want to get the temperature now, this lag temperature. And if it is not 1, then return me as null. Hope you're getting the gist here. You have to watch this case statement again to get the gist here. If I run this, the solution for this data will remain the same. Let's see whether this solution is being submitted by the LeetCode or not now. Let's go to the LeetCode. Let's submit this solution. See, I'm able to submit my solution now. I'm able to beat quite 41%. Let me submit this again. Now I'm able to beat at least 65.99% of the users. What I'm doing here, I'm checking the date difference between this current row and I'm checking the previous row date as well. If the difference is 1, that is these dates are consecutive, then I'm fetching the temperature of the previous row. So this is a 1 statement. If it is not, then I'm just saying return me as null. Then this becomes my derived table from here to here, and then just I put x dot temperature is greater than the x dot pt. In case of null, those row will not be available in the result. Those will get filtered out. And I just say select id as id. Hope you're getting the gist here. This question is easy but quite tricky here because we have to use this date diff function. Hope you are liking this content. If you are liking this content, then please like this video, share this video with your friend, and also subscribe to my YouTube channel. We are releasing one video every day. So in just a matter of 1 month, we will have a very good playlist on this LeetCode SQL questions. Stay tuned.